Okay. So, hello. Today we are going to talk about the growth analysis of Eduladder. We have been here at Eduladder for a long time, and since coming to crypto, I believe that there is some analysis we have to go through, and I'm going to provide you with the same information. So, welcome to our company. And Eduladder is a community of teachers, students, and programmers whose aim is to provide you with all the information you need to pass any exam. And we mostly answer questions like based on technology and stuff. And you can find more about exams visiting our Eduladder platform. So normally we generate our traffic in 4 ways. Traffic is the amount of customers or people who are actually visiting the website and checking out the question or answer. So the first one is like the actual traffic from website or organic search. Organic searches are those that the stuff we actually search in the spacebar and we get the results and through which we get into the website. Then we go to direct search as well for the people who actually direct search Eduladder and get into the website. And then we go have traffic through referrals as well. These are people who actually get referred to our website via getting shared links or getting courses from us and they want to get from us, so they get to the website by reference and through social media. So there are some of the marketing channels overview I want to say. The digital marketing channels driving traffic to a website at eduladder.com is the organic search traffic, which is 81.33%. Then we have the direct traffic, which is 18.11%. And through referrals, we are generating 0.52% of the traffic, and we are generating 0.04% of traffic via social. So that is why I said like it is an underutilized channel, and via social platforms we can generate more and more traffic in the upcoming days. So for the percent of the thing that we are generating 0.04% of traffic, here's a bit of a report about that. So from direct and organic search traffic, we are having about 150,000 people on an average each month and 25,000 people every day who are actually visiting the website. And there's a pattern to notice in this, which is that the more website traffic, we have more website traffic in the months before any kind of technical exams. For example, when we have JEE, which is held in June, there will be a better traffic results in the month of May. And then we have social media marketing and overall performance. We generally are looking at how we are promoting at like from posters or like videos. So from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, via advertisement and web by posting posters and more of the things that actually go to the people, we get an audience of over 994 users, and which has also increased, and we have made a lot of impressions as well, which have gone up by 69% this month. And the engagement we can see has gone down for now, but for the mid of the month it was really high as well. So we can see that in the organic search we have actually over 57,000 users. In direct we are getting over 12,000 users. For referrals we have over 372 people, and socials we are getting over 25 people. That's how we are making impressions and we are getting new people over and over. So coming to the social media traffic, one great way which we are trying to generate traffic is by YouTube. So our YouTube channel has gotten over 33,000 views so far, and from the last 90 days we have gotten over 4,000 views. And we can also say that this results were based like very high on when we post the videos, and every time we post the videos we can see the things that our statistics are always going up and up. So also one thing is to note that our watch time for over 90 days is 40 hours. We can actually try to increase more of this by adding more worthy content, and it will be more to the viewers and for the people watching it, and they'll be really happy to get more from us. And so I can say there's a point to notice that audience are more engaging in video visual advertisement, which is via YouTube. So as they get to think and communicate and chat over the YouTube platform, we are getting more visual people from YouTube, and we're generating more impressions through display content like posters and everything, because they wait and they check it out and they move on. That's how the social media works. So what is our aim and how we will achieve it? So our aim is to step into the crypto world, and we want to acquire the milestone where each of our Eduladder token is super beneficial to the token holder. We have seen a hike of over 200% in our initial raise, and we want to keep getting the stakes over. And how we are going to do it is by increasing more website traffic by adding key topics of hot searches. So hot searches are the things which are generally getting like searched a lot in the time period of being, and key topics are the main point of the topic which is getting searched. So for example, if we have a question on JavaScript, the JavaScript, how you implement JavaScript would be a question, but JavaScript would be a key topic. And then by creating visually attractive posters for social media and valuable content for YouTube would also help us achieve our milestone as well. This is because the more people get to know Eduladder, the more our ranking goes up, and the more we actually have people who want to invest in us. And then by referring people to our website and sharing them the course provided. So we also here at Eduladder have courses which can be set like the full stack course, and there are many other courses you can join for Eduladder as well. Now at Eduladder crypto tokens, I want to talk about this really lot. So currently we stepped into the Cardano DEX exchanges, and we have liquidity pools in SundaeSwap, MintSwap and WingRiders, and we did really great by generating 200% in our initial days. So I want to talk about a bit how our tokens can be for the contributors. So as I told you that Eduladder is a community where you can answer the question and finally make a contribution. So we have tokens for the contributors as well. The Eduladder community has a clear vision of making academics much easier by providing a peer-to-peer question and answer forum in which user contribution is licensed under Creative Commons, and anyone can edit, remix and use the content on a platform with freely attribution required. So using this you can answer a question as you like, and it will be getting upvotes and downvotes as well. So when you get an upvote, you get verified. It's like the people are actually trusting you, and you will get of course the more tokens. And with the rise of third generation blockchain networks that promise lower transaction fees, scalable throughput and earth-friendly consensus algorithms, we are proud to announce that the contributors of our platform will be rewarded by a program where the contributors may earn token rewards. So the amount of tokens that each contributor earns is calculated by several factors, including their reputation, their activity type, which is posting or asking questions, and community engagement with the activities, etc. So you can also edit the questions, and also you can ask the questions and answer, and upon your performance you will be calculated and tokens will be generated to common contributors. So I want to talk about the white paper, which is how we are going to achieve and what are the goals. So I'm going to talk about tokenomics. So Eduladder, which is the ELADR, which we have generated our crypto name with, is a Cardano blockchain utility token project designed to incentivize users of Eduladder platform. So the user posts, comments, votes and other forms of engagement will be weighted with values, and these values will actually verify how much the Eduladder tokens will be getting to the for the contributors, so as a reward for proof of participation in the community. So there are some of the details that we have gone by. We are Eduladder. We are going with the name with ELADR or ELADR, and at the type of utility we are working with Cardano, as we have the pools in the Cardano DEX exchanges, and the entity is Eduladder.com. We are issuing this, and we totally have a supply of 45 billion Eduladder tokens, and it is over 45 billion spells for right now. And private pre-sale prices is about 0.01 PSI million rupees, and the reserve airdrops have over 33 billion for the Eduladder tokens, which is 75% in and all, and private pre-sale cap is going over 11.025 billion as well. So next I want to talk about the roadmap, where we are and what we are going to do and what we want to achieve. So in the phase 1, we are going into mint tokens, and we are generating more mint, and we are going after the same, we are going to have ahead to phase 2, which is the beta testing and integration of user internal wallets on development server. After that we are on phase 3, which is to launch the integrated user internal wallets on production server, and then beta testing of layer 2 scalability solutions. And afterwards, for phase 4, which is going to be in 2023, is the survey user community for advanced feature requests. Also, for upcoming requests, we are trying to include IFPS on a latent development to resist the internet censorship and tracking. So you know what IFPS is? It's like a decentralized way of sending your files to people so that you can share and be not tracked. So we have more ideas, like on the beta testing side, internal Cardano wallets will facilitate rewards payment from the project's token supply reserve to the active users. Furthermore, the internal wallets will facilitate user-to-user transactions for tipping and on-platform gift details such as code, audits, copy editing, bug bounties, etc. And in the first phase of development, a user will be obliged to negotiate and settle gig deals independently using their balance of Eduladder tokens. In future development phases, which is contingent upon adequate project funding for multiple jurisdictional compliance, so gig deal smart contract SOC provisionally may be implemented in some form, and using the same, we are going to work with this really well. So there's a question like, why Cardano? So Cardano is a decentralized proof of stake POS and blockchain designed to be a more efficient alternative to proof of work networks. Scalability, interoperability, sustainability, growth cost, energy use, and slow transaction times are critical tenets behind Cardano development. And using all of these points, we actually chose Cardano. Cardano's ELADR is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies as well, with over 3,35705 ADA holders as of 26 August according to CoinGap. So I'm going to talk about a bit about Cardanohydra as well. So as a layer 2 system, Hydra will seek to scale the wider Cardano blockchain by reducing latency and increasing the throughput or transactions per second. So as the Cardano network continues to grow with more smart contracts and e-apps, which is decentralized applications launching on blockchain, Hydra will hope to ensure transaction costs to remain low. A decentralized application is an application that can operate autonomously, typically through the use of smart contracts that run on a decentralized computing blockchain or other distributed ledger system. Like traditional application, the apps also provide some functions to utility or to its users. So as usual, Eduladder tokens are in sync with Cardano, so this is a win-win situation for all of us. So there's a bit of point that I wanted to share as well, that how we know we are killing it. So we already have a hike of over 200% in swap in initial days without any advertisement, and we know how that after advertisement we are going to grow even bigger and bigger. And the next goal is to get more traffic and to get the real value of Eduladder token, so that the people will be getting more Eduladder tokens, our value will be always going up. So that was all about this day.